Want to build your website faster and with less effort? With Webador's AI tools, you can create professional pages, improve your content, and even generate a full website. But first, what is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, works like a smart assistant. It helps with tasks like writing text and creating professional designs. It can detect patterns and generate tailored content to save you a lot of time. And if you're starting from scratch, AI can even build your entire website for you. Let's see how it works. On your My Sites page, click plus New Website, then choose what kind of website you want to create. You'll be asked a few short questions, like your site's name and what you'll use it for. Next, choose the option Pre-fill with Content to start the AI building tool. Then fill in the remaining details and select the main goals for your website. You can also choose which pages you want to start with, select the features you'd like to include, and pick the colors for your design. Once everything is set up, Webador's AI will generate a fully functional site, complete with layouts, images, and ready-made text. From there, you can make any final adjustments before publishing your site. Already have your site? AI can still help you create new pages or improve existing ones. To create a new page with AI, go to the Pages tab and click plus New Page. Give it a name, save it, and open it in the editor. Answer a few quick questions to personalize the content, then click Fill this page. In just a few moments, Webador's AI will generate professional and relevant text and images for you. You can also improve existing content using the AI writing tool in the text editor bar. Simply highlight your text, click the AI icon, and choose an option like Improve Writing, Shorten, or Change Tone. AI will instantly rewrite your content to match your needs and style. Try Webador's AI tools today and see how fast and easy website building can be.